Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Amazon. First you need to open your Amazon app as you can see here on your screen, and then you need to log in your account where you ordered that item. So from the bottom, try to click this profile icon right here and then go to your orders. So as you can see here, all your products that you buy, and from here, you need to choose the item that you want to cancel. So for example, this item right here, that indicating that arriving on February 28 to March 14. And then from this product right here, you'll find a button which you can tap this cancel order. So once you tap this one, you will go on this page, and as you can see at the top saying request cancellation, please refuse the order if Amazon attempts delivery. If you have already paid, we will initiate a refund within 3 to 5 business days. And just scroll down a bit, and as you can see here, cancellation reason, it is optional. So you just need to put the reason why you want to cancel your order. So just tap this drop down menu right here. And for example, I just want to tap this order created by mistake. So I just want to tap this one as a reason why I want to cancel my order. And finally, you will now tap this request cancellation. And then after that, just wait a few hours or a few days, and you will receive some information on how you can actually totally cancel your account, or it will automatically show up here that your product is canceled. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.